You're asking someone who's been single for 2 years. I really have no answer for that.
Like any no.
दूर रहो मुझसे छोड़ो मुझे पूरा नाम क्या है? It's पूनम controversial पांडे. Create,
You
you
pay
know.
someone to do.
वैसे भी हम छोटा मोटा स्नैक नहीं खाते. If I want to create a controversy, it has to be big. Why would I do something like that?
Everyone, my name is Onam Gupta and you're watching India.com Z Media. So today I have with me the incredibly bold and beautiful Poonam Pandey. Hi Poonam, how are you?
Hi Onam. I'm still mesmerized with your name. It's
Thank
a very
you.
beautiful name.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I get that often. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great.
You'll be hosting the new season of King, that is the season 2 of King. You're quite new in being a host, right? And when you got the opportunity to, just host King, what made you said yes, just start with this hosting thing?
So Onam, I've been known for a beautiful, bold, as you described me in the beginning. People have known me for my image, right? For my sexy pictures. बहुत कम लोगों ने मेरी आवाज़ सुनी है. The way I speak,
Yeah.
the way I, and hosting से ज़्यादा बेहतर शायद और कोई तरीका नहीं था मेरे पास अपने आप को, क्योंकि लोग मुझे देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, सुनना कम. तो बोला थोड़ा मुझे सुन भी लीजिए.
Yeah.
King 2 season देख भी लीजिए. तो yeah, it was.
That's why you.
Yeah.
Okay. And Divya Agarwal hosted the first season
Yes.
of King.
Yeah.
And when you got to know that you'll be replacing her, what were your thoughts? And I know that you guys are pretty good friends.
Yeah.
So did you discuss with her regarding the same?
She knew it. I told her that they've offered me the show, and she's very supportive, very beautiful girl by nature, and more than that, she's my friend.
Yeah.
So she was like, ki, dude, go ahead, do it, and and yeah, she's there, support me. Yeah.
That's great. And since show's format is based on love, new age romance, situationships, relationships, so I want to know, Poonam, from you, like what is that one deal breaker for you in a relationship?
Wow. You're asking someone who's been single for 2 years. I really have no answer for that.
Like any no,
दूर रहो मुझसे छोड़ो मुझे.
but any like advice you would like to give
Yes,
on
किसको
relationship?
एडवाइस पूछ रही है? मेरे को तो पूछो तो आलू कुलचा खाओ, खुश रहो, किंग 2 सीजन देखो. मतलब मैं ओके, जोक्स अपार्ट, मैं थोड़ा मैं पास्ट रिलेशनशिप ना मैं थोड़ा सा दूर रहती हूँ अभी. आई एम नॉट रेडी फॉर इट राइट नाउ. मे बी कुछ सालों के बाद शायद मैं अगर आपसे वापस मिलो और आप पूछेंगी तो शायद मेरे पास उसका जवाब होगा.
कुछ learnings from your past relationship that you would like to share?
इसीलिए सिंगल.
Okay. Okay. And Poonam, you have captivated audiences with your sex appeal over the years. That's great, but do you think the compliments you get only get stuck to your appearances rather than emphasizing on the work you have done?
See, things have been changing right now. If you watch an OTT platform and cinema has been changing. अब लोगों को काम इसलिए मिलता है क्योंकि वो टैलेंटेड हैं. आप चाहे भले 1000 बोटॉक्स लगा लो आपके चेहरे पे और ट्राई टू बी एज सेक्सी, आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता अगर आपके पास टैलेंट नहीं है तो. So I'm looking forward to, after hosting this beautiful show, I'm looking forward to do more jobs where people will see my talent and not my looks. So yeah.
That's great. You are an outsider and you yourself reveal that जिसका कोई godfather नहीं होता है, उसके लिए काफी difficult होता है to survive in the industry.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. And
एक फ्लॉप दे दो कोई खड़ा नहीं करेगा.
So, several actresses have opened up about their experiences and challenges they, have seen in the industry, and especially they have talked about casting couch. So, what are your
नहीं, मेरा दूर दूर तक रिश्ता नाता नहीं और किसी की हिम्मत भी नहीं हुई कुछ पूछने की अभी तक. सच्ची, it's been 13 years now that I've been in this industry and I've not once I have faced. I feel sorry for the women who have faced that. I feel sorry for them, but मेरा तो मतलब
नहीं.
नहीं.
But do you think
आएगा भी तो कुछ ना
Bold.
बेटा.
Yeah. But do
वैसे
you-
मार्शल आर्ट्स करती है तो यार.
but do you think it exists in the industry?
I feel so, yes. वरना इतने लोग बात नहीं करते
बात
इसके
नहीं
बारे में आए तो 100% it is that.
You know, when you stepped into industry, you were one of the few actresses who did like quite bold roles on screen, and you know, during that time, how challenging was that as a woman, and also was your family supportive about it?
I mean, why does it have to be challenging because you're a woman? That always I question this to myself. I don't believe in that line only because not that I'm asking you to go out and just shred everything. No. But it shouldn't be challenging, no.
Yeah.
Matlab, not that. I mean, I already gave you the answer. Family, yes, they weren't supportive in the beginning. Dur tak nahi. But yeah, slowly, like now if you ask me, mom is okay, sister is okay. So things are better now. Shurwati mein, na.
No.
Thappad.
And how is your relations with your mom and dad like now? Because you just said that they weren't
In the
okay.
beginning, no.
No.
But now they are. I mean, my dad's passed away. It's been 3 years.
I'm so sorry.
He's in a better space than us, I believe.
Yeah.
So yeah, and mom is there. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sure they're like very proud of you. And
Yeah. Oh, 100%. 100%.
डेफिनेटली आपके साथ ना एक टैग बोलते हैं ना एक लेबल जुड़ा हुआ है कंट्रोवर्शियल बोल रहे
मैं
हैं
पैदा
आपको.
हुई थी वो वर्ड. आपको पता नहीं मेरा पूरा नाम क्या है? It's पूनम controversial पांडे. Yeah.
तो मेरा
Ask me.
यही क्वेश्चन है पूनम, ये कंट्रोवर्सीज होती कैसे है? आप ये प्लान करती हैं, आप इसमें फंस जाती है, लाइक होती कैसे हैं?
देखिए प्लान तो नहीं करती मैं.
हाँ.
It's maybe because of my बेधड़क attitude because I really don't care. You know, or maybe my nature, I don't know, but there are so many things. There are certain things that we have planned. If you ask me about the World Cup controversy, which was way back when I was 17, yeah, that's a whole different thing. But apart from that, yeah, things just happen. Things just happen. And I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? So yeah, that happens.
So I'll talk about one incident where your manager, declared that you passed away because of cervical cancer. So वो क्या था वो?
ये 4 लोग में से ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं.
I know, you are fed up of answering this question.
Yeah,
and because
actually.
everyone is so curious to know
Yeah.
what happened, Poonam, like because everyone was shocked, honestly.
हाँ.
But उसके बाद जो आपको reaction मिले ना लोगों की, that people like some were quite negative. So how did you deal with the backlash during that
No,
time?
I couldn't deal with them. I was traumatized. That one entire month, I was in depression. I believe I was extremely sad. But then, yeah, we all humans have these phases, right? Bad phase, happy phase. So I suppose that was my bad phase. And yeah, I mean, see, it did create an impact for sure. But yes, it was traumatizing for me a lot. Yeah.
After you heard a lot of reactions.
Yeah. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
इतना भी मतलब Iron Man थोड़ी ना तो यार बुरा लगता है तो yeah, things were yeah. But the good thing is that people have gone out, they've taken the vaccination, so things have favored. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Also, I'll talk about another incident that happened recently when a fan, tried to, click a selfie with you and made you quite uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Some people said that ये scripted है.
Yeah, I read that too.
Yeah. So, what are your thoughts on that?
Like लोग इतने मतलब मैं उनको कितने actually it makes me angry that मतलब मेरे इतने बुरे दिन नहीं है that I would
Exactly.
create
You pay someone to do.
वैसे भी हम छोटा मोटा snack नहीं खाते. If I want to create a controversy, it has to be big. Why would I do something like that? So yeah, it did bother me. But anyway, I mean, I don't want to promote here anybody. So
I just want to say that how
Yeah.
gracefully you handled that situation when, I just saw that video and you were like quite graceful. You didn't like, you just didn't snap at that person.
I cannot because there were cameras in front of me. I could have hit him, but I can't because those videos will be will stay on the internet, and I would not want to see myself like that. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Poonam, for joining with
Thank you. Thank you.
us. I think it was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
I just want to wish you all the best for your upcoming projects. And
Thank
guys,
you.
please don't forget to watch
King season 2, and please download Atrangi app. It's available out there on Google Store and Play Store. Yeah, no, Google Play Store and Apple App Store.
Okay. Thank you, and thank you for joining.